These kinds of videos are going extremely viral on the internet right now. People can't even figure out easily that these videos are not real. And the surprising thing is that these videos can be created in just a few simple steps. First, click on Explore GPT and type Micro Camera Animal. Then click on Start Chat, and after that, click Start. Here, you will see a lot of animal names appear. You can choose any one of them. I'm choosing ant. As soon as you type ant, GPT gives us an image prompt automatically. Now let's move to my favorite tool, VO3. Earlier, we had to generate images in Whisk first and then create the video here, but now the process has become much simpler. Open VO3 and click on New Project. Select Image, and you'll notice that the interface has changed. Then, keep Nano Banana 2 selected because I'm using a free account. As you can see, we get 150 credits for free. Now choose the video size you want, paste the prompt here, and click Go. Repeat the same process to generate all the images. Once all the images are generated, go back to the same chat and type Give animation prompt for all these images with sound effects. Now you'll get video prompts along with sound effect prompts as well. Next, click on the 3 dots above the first image and select Animation. You'll see the same image appear below, and the video option will automatically be selected. Now just paste the prompt here and click Go. Repeat the same process for all the images. And as you can see, both images and videos are being created in the same place, which makes the whole process much easier. Now let's watch the video. I think the video quality looks really good, and the meaning of the scene is also clearly visible. To download the video, click the 3 dots on the video and then click Download. Download all the videos and combine them using any simple editing software. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you are facing any problem while creating videos, you can join my community. The link is in the description. Thank you!